Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you an egg trick that might completely change the way you cook breakfast. If you have fresh eggs and want to make fried eggs, stop frying them directly in oil right away. I've discovered a smarter way to fry eggs that starts by adding about 3-4 tablespoons of water to a non-stick skillet, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Turn on the stove and heat until small bubbles begin to form. At this point, carefully crack each fresh egg into the pan. Be very gentle so as not to break the yolk. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Cover the pan with a lid and cook over low heat for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, open the lid and you'll see soft, smooth eggs with no burnt edges and yolks that aren't dry at all. Use a spatula and a silicone scraper to gently lift each egg out of the pan. Because they were cooked in water instead of oil, they're incredibly delicate, so take your time to keep them looking beautiful. Just look at those silky whites, they're perfectly smooth with no crispy edges, while the yolks remain soft and plump. These eggs are tender, glossy, and cooked just right. Now comes my favorite part. Let's cut one open and see that gorgeous, runny yolk. As soon as the knife slices through the center, the rich golden yolk slowly flows onto the plate. It's warm, creamy, and unbelievably smooth, pairing perfectly with the soft, delicate egg whites. Every bite is light, fresh, and packed with natural flavor. Tip 2. First, I take a large bowl and crack 4 fresh eggs into it. Be very careful not to break the yolks. Next, I use a spoon to separate the 4 yolks into 4 small bowls. Once that's done, I set them aside for now and prepare 2 carrots. I peel and wash them, then use a grater to shred them into very thin strips. But the carrot strips are still quite firm at this point. So, I put them all into a large bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Let them sit for about 10 minutes. This time allows the carrots to release some of their liquid, making them softer and easier to bind together during cooking. After 10 minutes, squeeze out the excess liquid thoroughly with your hands. Then transfer the carrots to another bowl. Season with a little garlic powder, a pinch of chili powder for a gentle kick, and finish with a little black pepper. Next, pour all the egg whites you prepared earlier into the bowl. Mix well so that each carrot strand is evenly coated with egg white. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour and continue mixing until all the ingredients bind together into a uniform mixture. Now place a skillet on the stove. Add a little cooking oil and heat over medium heat. Divide the carrot mixture into 4 equal portions. Scoop each portion into the skillet one at a time, and use the back of a spoon to gently spread it into small circles. Then, gently press the center of each portion to create a small indentation. This will be where the best part goes. Gently place each egg yolk, which we separated earlier, into the center of each portion. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Cover the pan and sauté over low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes until the carrots are golden brown and the egg yolks are cooked to your liking. While waiting, I prepared 4 round baguettes. Using a knife, cut off the top of each baguette. Then gently and carefully scoop out the inside with your hands. Next, gently crack 1 egg into the center of each baguette. Try to keep the yolk intact so the finished dish looks more appealing. Prepare 2 slices of bacon, dice them into small pieces, and sprinkle them evenly over each roll. Then top with a layer of shredded cheese. As the cheese melts, all the ingredients will blend together, creating a much richer aroma. Place the 4 pastries on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Finally, to finish the dish, I crack another egg into each roll. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Now place the baking sheet in the oven. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. In just a few minutes, the whole kitchen will be filled with the delicious aroma of baked pastries. And now, our carrot cake is ready. The carrots have turned a beautiful golden color. The yolk in the center is perfectly cooked, still retaining its incredibly appealing golden hue. Just sprinkle a little green onion or cilantro on top, and the dish is ready to enjoy. By now, 15 minutes have passed. I take the baking sheet out of the oven. The croissant crust is now golden and crispier. Inside, the melted cheese blends with the bacon and the perfectly cooked egg. Just cut the pastry in half, and the soft yolk will slowly mix with the piping hot cheese, creating a pastry that's both visually stunning and incredibly tempting. With just a few common ingredients, we've created some truly amazing dishes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.